In this video, I will show you how easily you can create this kind of design in seconds by using Adobe Illustration tools and more. First, what we need to do, create the flower. I'm starting with the center of the flower and choosing the color which I prefer. Then, let's create the flower petals. And choose the color for it. I prefer violet. Select it, go to Object, Repeat Radial. Then play with the scales till you like the result. For me, it's perfect. Select all and go to Object, Expand Appearance. Right-click and group. And now you have a solid flower. Reduce the size of it. Go to Window and open Symbol panel. Press plus to add new symbol and name it the way you like. Then press OK. Then press Shift S. It's shortcut for symbol sprayer. This tool will help you quickly add the symbol to artwork. And now you know how to create this kind of design in Adobe Illustrator. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe.